Let's make some marbled artwork. We will need a plate or painting surface, a piece of card, acrylic paint, a craft stick, a paintbrush, toothpick, and of course, some shaving cream. First of all, we make a layer of shaving cream on the surface. Add some drops of the poster paint on top of the shaving cream. Smudge it out with the toothpick. Place the card on top of the mixture and take it off. Scrape the shaving cream off the card and leave it to dry. Isn't it pretty?